Hi guys, welcome to the Spicy Kitchen. I'm Jose and today there is a garlic day or something? Oh, there is a garlic day for this thing too? Okay. Oh, there is a garlic. It's a day for everything. Today we are gonna work with garlic, but in a different way. We are not gonna cook, but I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the garlic smell from your hands. Let's go. What we are doing today, I have 5 guinea pigs. I'm gonna smear all this beautiful garlic into their hands, and I have 5 different options here that it's been said it take the smell out of their hands. I will smell every single hand and I will let you know what is the winner. Here I have my first guinea pig, and look this beautiful smelly garlic, and we are gonna just rub it in his hand. Let's see. Indeed. And we are gonna try our first option, which is hand sanitizer. I don't think it will work, but let's see what happens. Well, the smell is very strong of the actual hand sanitizer. I think it's blocking the smell of the actual garlic without taking it away. But wow, what is this brand? It's pretty good. I cannot smell garlic. Nope. Hand sanitizer, whatever brand this is very good. Next, and our second guinea pig, and it's not guinea pig? Yeah, it is guinea pig. Oh, okay. So because I really don't like her very much, so I'm gonna really squeeze this garlic into these hands. And right now what we are going to use is coconut oil. So they are pretty smelly. And this has no smell, so let's try. At least you're gonna have very soft hands. There you go. No, it does. I can't believe this. No, there is a smell of garlic. Yeah. Coconut oil does not work. And here we have this option will be potato. There you go. Yeah, it's smelly. So let's have some potato. No. We actually can use this potato with garlic and roast it and eat it. It's not working. We have our 4th guinea pig. And this option will be, we're gonna use dish soap. Yeah, it's garlicky. A little bit. That's plenty for both hands. So he washed his hands with dish soap. Let's see. It actually brought down the smell about 50%, but I can still sense it. So it's like, no work. Okay. Well, it's smelly. And we are gonna use this option, which 100% works. It's gonna go into the sink and use the stainless steel as a soap. And the chemical reaction between the stainless steel water and your hands will get the smell away. So she washed her hands with the stainless steel. Now, you smell? And no smell of garlic. After trying 5 options of how to get rid of garlic smell, what I decided was the best is the stainless steel, which literally your hands will not smell. Then the second option was this lemon sanitizer, but personally I think it was so strong, the lemon scent, that actually overpowered the garlic. So if you want to see it that way, yes, actually it will get the garlic smell out of your hands. For how long? I don't know. The dish soap is the one that as well, the smell of the dish soap is so strong that actually will overpower the garlic smell, but I don't think really will get rid of the garlic smell. Coconut oil, it's better to use it as a cream, but the smell will be there. And potato, it's better you chop them, put garlic, a little bit of olive oil, roast it in the oven, and have an amazing roasted garlic potatoes, because definitely doesn't work to get rid of the garlic smell. I hope you have enjoyed, you have had fun as much as we had. Until next time.